Hi, welcome back to Tech Tools. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the latest version of DirectX in your laptop computer. But first, let's check if you are running the latest version of DirectX. Click on the Windows button Search Run, or you can as well use the Ctrl+D to open the Run dialog box. Open Run and type in DXDIAG. Text is on your screen. If this is your first time on this channel, please click the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Also, check video description for important links. We have other videos that might help fix your PC errors. After typing, click on the OK button. This will open a dialog box that contains information about your laptop. You can see here I'm having the latest version of DirectX, which is DirectX 12. If you don't have it, or having the outdated version, this is how to download and install DirectX 12 in your laptop. Open your browser. On the search bar, type in DirectX. Text is on your screen. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard to search. Click on the one that says DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. This will take you to DirectX official website, where you can download its setup file. Click Select Language to select installation language. Any language you select here will be the one you'll see during DirectX setup. Click Download button after language is selected. It will start download immediately. Download complete. You can as well scroll below to check system requirements and also installation instructions. But you don't actually need the instructions because I'm here to give you all necessary instructions you need on this video. Click on the download icon. You'll see the downloaded file. Click on the folder icon to locate where it was downloaded to. Here I'll be copying file to desktop so you see installation process clearly. Subscribe to this channel. Also use the join button below this video to join our membership. Let's begin installation. Right-click on the setup file and choose Run as Administrator. A box will appear. Just click Yes. Now here is Microsoft Terms. Click on I accept the agreement and click on Next. Click Next again. Installation will start immediately. Wait till installation is complete. DirectX lets Windows games and apps communicate directly and efficiently with your computer's graphics, GPU, and audio hardware, etc. That is how to install DirectX 12, which is the latest version. What video should I make next? Leave a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you, bye.